Hi guys, it's Spacious here, and this is room 129 at Hotel Mediterraneo in Civitavecchia. So it's a very nice room, it's a junior suite. So let's start here with the wardrobe. So this light kind of flickers. But yeah, you got lots and lots of storage, mini fridge, mirror, some hangers. And some extra pillows and more storage there. Very nice in there. Then we have the bathroom behind. Nice big sink. We'll have a bidet, a toilet, and then the shower. Another thing we've seen a bit weird about this room, not weird, but so the shower's like this dome sort of thing. And like, it's a nice shower, and also there's a hole in the rain head. We usually have like all this stuff here in the ceiling, but it's not in the walls. Got it all the way around. But yeah, that's the only really thing we've seen. But then you come out here to the main area of the room. You have a little place for your suitcases. You've got this thing as well. A desk area with a TV. And then a lamp. Then you have a spare bed, double bed, your bedside tables. Not many plugs in the room. You have this weird one. I can show you. I have no idea what it is. You have a European one here, and then you've got like this one. I've never seen that in my life, but hey ho. So yeah, you got European one, and another European one here. Those are the only two plugs. European one. You do have the 3-prong one underneath each side of the bed, but I don't really know what that is. You have 2 bedside table lights, chair here, and then this is our balcony. It's a gigantic balcony. I'm going to take it out there now. That's not a door, that's just like for extra ventilation. It does have aircon as well. Aircon works. I'm kind of struggling to like get it to, like it's always on. Oh, there you go. Oh, that works. Whoa, look at that on the camera. Interesting. But yeah, I've set it down to the lowest. That looks so cool on the camera. But yeah, cool. Let's go to the balcony. Here is the balcony. You can take down some steps. We'll try again. I was really interrupted by my phone. So, this is our balcony. We go down some steps. These are the steps. And yeah, it's a gigantic balcony. They literally got these 4 things on there. That's us. And yeah, it's huge. It says that this was a hotel overlooking the ocean. You can see the ocean through the trees. The ships, if you can see, we got like MSC Orchestra here, and Voyager. You can see the top of Voyager there. So you can see the port from here. That's the name of the hotel. But yeah, it's a nice room. It will do the job for the 2 nights that we are here before we get on Odyssey of the Seas. And yeah, this is the outside of the hotel. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this room or this hotel, please put in the comments below. We will have to answer any questions you may have about this room. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Spacious here. I will see you guys in the next video.